back, everyone, whoever everyone is. So yeah, as you all know, progress, baby, step by step, we get ahead. Not necessarily in fast spurts. So another week has gone by, and more progress has been made, baby. So right now, what I'm doing in the business plan is I'm working on the financial projections, right? So I'm just kind of analyzing, seeing where money will be spent, the uses of the funds, the sources of the funds, and all that good stuff, you know. So uses of funds. I need to produce the comic, of course. Digitization, the drawing, the coloring, the lettering, and then because like I said, I'm starting off with just the electronic one to save costs. See what the market is saying, see what people are saying, if they like it, if they don't like it, just overall feedback. So yeah, and then after that, physical book. So I'm looking at different print on demand companies, and then I gotta register the company. So I'm gonna register the company in the UK. I have a website where I registered my first business entity, Mercurial Media Solutions. RIP Mercurial Media Solutions. So yeah, once I have some money there, I'll register the business, entertainment business, of course, and then trademarks, copyrights as well, which are not cheap. And then sales, advertising, marketing, your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google SEO, and all that, And then things like attorney fees, accounting fees, and then eventually, once I start doing all that merchandising and licensing, accessories like toys, cards, and then NFT production, baby. NFT. I'll come back into that a little bit. App development. I want to develop an app. Anything. Web-related stuff like cybersecurity, web development, and web maintenance. So they're essentially going to be 22 stages. I have 22 stages so far. They're definitely going to be more, but 22 stages so far. So I'll tell you the first stage that I'm at right now. Number one. Number one is essentially sorting out the first chapter, right? First chapter. And then I need to find the letter for that. I already have the person who's gonna draw for me, who's gonna color for me, two in one there. And then I need to find the letter. I already bought the domain, so I need to develop the website. And then once I have that first chapter, set up crowdfunding campaigns. But before actually that, I need to register the company, because I think some crowdfunding sites require you to have an actual legal business entity. So yeah, that's kind of first stage right now. But I came up with some good about this my NFT collection. So I said that I wanted to do 7,777 in total. So I was thinking about doing something like how Yu-Gi-Oh did it, Pokemon did it, kind of sell packs. So I would say about maybe releasing a certain amount per volume. So I'm going essentially, I want 1,000 chapters, right? And each volume will be 10 chapters, so essentially 100 volumes, right? So every volume I want to release 77 NFTs, maybe in a few different packs. Actually, I need to remind myself about that. Yeah, which leaves around 77 free games. So I'll probably just release 77 here and there, just to tease people, But yeah, in this collection, I'm gonna have different tiers. I'm gonna have different, characters. I'm gonna have 13 main characters in total, different variations of each, as they progress in their lives and story, side characters, alien races, planets, vehicles, weapons, elements, moves, monsters, the covers of the comics, the whole shebang. Woo! I'm hyped. This is gonna be crazy. And I found a few people that could do this for me on Fiverr. So yeah, I just need money and then kind of filter who's gonna do it for me. But I found some people. I found some people. So yeah, let me not keep this too long. But yeah, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit.